Alright, hello everybody. We are in Fontana. As you just saw in the time lapse, we are off here of Sierra Avenue on the 10 freeway. Coming over to the Arco station that used to have the first generation Ryko Radius HT. I showed it in a previous video how it was all defunct. The last time I was here, I could tell they were in the process of installing a new system. And these cars are blocking it, so I can't see if they finished it yet. But I figured it's time to come check up on it, and if it's not finished, we'll try to see how far along they've gotten. Alright, so we're going to go straight across here, and then take a right at this first driveway. Well, there's not cones in front of it, but that has been not been an indicator in the past. Okay, let's see what we got going on here. Oh, look at that! We got ourselves an Istobal system. Is this an M1? I think this is an Istobal M'1. Look at that. And they kept the slimline dryers too, so that's very cool. Alright, let's do this. Of course, we're going to pick up that $12.99. Obviously, they replaced the old Ryko pay station with the Unitech C-Start pay station.
Your transaction was not authorized.
Yep, gonna have to get code inside. Yay. Oh, this is an Istobal M'1. It's brand new too. Look at this. Alright, I got my code at the pump with my gas. So let's go get our $12 ultimate wash. You know, I wish I could have possibly taken the old pay station off the guys who are removing it, or the CMD display that it had in here. Oh well, it probably went to the scrap pile anyway. I'm gonna get my code entered, and then we'll head in.
To our car. Thank you. Please pull forward slowly into the wash.
Did they keep the old buzzer? That sounds like the old buzzer that the Ryko Radius had. Just wanted to point this out real quick. You can see that's where one of the ultrasonic sensors for the Radius was in that little... It's not there anymore, but you can see the spot where it used to sit. final look. That's the old buzzer box from the Radius, just retrofitted for the Istobal system. That's funny. Usually the buzzers for the Ryko systems are mounted on like the main panel or something. Not panel, but the main box that it sits right next to the system. Alright, so it's dryer time. I'm curious to see how well these work after not being used for a year. What in the... Did you hear that where it like shut down and then restarted? I'll just quickly stop outside the wash bay. I had a ton of time left and I didn't even use it. There's our new system, brand new. See, the panel is left over here. So there is the Istobal signal box right next to the buzzer that they left over from the old system. See, that right there is where the old touchscreen panel was for the Radius. And this thing is in beautiful condition, obviously, because it's brand new. The bay is a little, looks like you could use a pressure washer in here, but it's okay. System itself worked perfectly fine, not surprising given it's brand new. So well done to Istobal on the install. And I'm glad they managed to keep these running. But that's all. Thanks for watching.